Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Esthetician Health and Beauty Tips. Today's topic is what are the benefits of almond oil for hair? How almond oil can help your hair health, reduces dandruff, repair split ends, reduces scalp and hair dryness, prevent hair loss, hair breakage, hair fall, and promote hair growth. And how to use almond oil for hair. Almond oil comes from pressing the seeds of almonds and extracting oil. Almonds have been used in many cultures for their health properties, including high levels of protein, omega 9 fatty acids, omega 6 fatty acids, vitamin E, vitamin A, vitamin D. These properties of almond oil can improve the shine and strength of your hair. Sweet almond oil is the most commonly sold and recommended for use as a hair product. Almond oil can fill in gaps in your hair that makes your hair feel smooth to the touch. Using almond oil on your hair gives it a softer texture. Once almond oil is incorporated into your hair care products, is easier to comb through and style. Almond oil is effective in making hair grow. Almond oil can make hair less prone to split ends. Benefits of almond oil for hair. Almond oil offers many benefits for hair, including improved shine, reduced frizz, and strengthened strands. It is also known for its moisturizing and conditioning properties, which can help reduce scalp dryness and soothe irritation and inflammation. Almond oil moisturizes and hydrates. Almond oil's emollient properties help to moisturize and hydrate both the hair shaft and scalp, reducing dryness and flakiness. Almond oil reduces frizz. Almond oil helps to frizz, resulting in smoother, more manageable hair. Almond oil increases shine and softness. Almond oil can enhance hair's natural shine and make hair softer and more silky. Almond oil strengthens hair and reduces breakage. The vitamins and minerals in almond oil, particularly biotin, vitamin B7, can strengthen hair follicles and reduce breakage. Almond oil protects hair from damage. Almond oil's anti-inflammatory properties can soothe irritated scalps and reduce dandruff, promoting a healthier scalp. Almond oil promotes hair growth. By nourishing the scalp and strengthening hair follicles, almond oil can indirectly promote hair growth and thickness. Almond oil treats scalp conditions. Almond oil can also be used as a treatment for flaky scalp. Almond oil has been used to treat dry scalp conditions. Rubbing a small amount of almond oil directly on your scalp increases blood flow to the area. Method of use is almond oil. You can apply almond oil directly to your hair, rubbing a small amount of almond oil in between your palms before applying it to your hair. If you want to increase shine and softness, pay attention to the ends of your hair. Massage the oil into the end of the hair shaft. You can also use almond oil as an ingredient in a conditioning hair mask. Almond oil balances oil production. Almond oil can help balance and regulate oil production and prevent the buildup of dead skin cells that contribute to dandruff. Almond oil prevents hair loss. Almond oil used to help prevent and reduce hair loss and promote healthy hair growth. Almond oil is rich in nutrients like vitamin E, which can stimulate hair follicles and promote stronger, healthier hair. Nourishment and strength. Almond oil contains essential fatty acids and vitamins that can nourish the scalp and hair. Almond oil reduced hair fall. Almond oil can minimize hair loss due to damage. Almond oil can help fortify the hair shaft, making it less prone to breakage and split ends, which can slow hair growth. How to use almond oil for hair? Number one is deep conditioning. Apply almond oil to hair and scalp, leaving it on for 30 minutes to several hours or even overnight before washing your hair. Number two is leave-in treatment. Apply a small amount of almond oil to damp hair to add shine. Number three is scalp massage. Gently massage almond oil into the scalp to stimulate circulation and nourish hair follicles. Number four, hair mask. Combine almond oil with other ingredients like honey or egg yolks to create a nourishing hair mask. Apply this mixture to clean, dry, or damp hair. Leave it on for 20 to 40 minutes, then rinse with water and shampoo as usual. Avoid applying almond oil to hair before using heat styling tools as it can burn. Moderation. Use almond oil in moderation if you have oily hair to avoid making your scalp greasier. Adding almond oil to shampoo or conditioner. Add a few drops of almond oil to your regular shampoo or conditioner for extra moisture. Massage it gently and wash as usual. Precaution. Almond oil generally safe for anyone to use. Anyone who has a nut allergy should not use almond oil on hair. Almond oil is a highly emollient, lightweight, and quick absorbing oil packed with vitamin A, B, D, and E, minerals such as magnesium and calcium, omega 6 fatty acids, and omega 9 fatty acids to nourish your hair, boost shine, and deeply condition your strands. Almond oil can help reduce dandruff and moisturize the scalp and soothe an itchy or irritated scalp. Dandruff is associated with a dry scalp, and almond oil's moisturizing properties can help relieve dryness and flakiness and alleviate itching associated with a dandruff. If you like my video, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.